Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna tell you low calorie, high protein snack in just 5 minutes. Vegetarian, vegan, and for non-vegetarians. Do like, share, subscribe, comment. So low calorie protein snacks for vegan and vegetarians. 200 grams of tofu will cost you 54 rupees, and that can also be added to the one-off diet of the student, and that will cost you around 25 grams of protein in just 54 rupees. So the another low calorie, high protein snack in your diet would be chickpea salad. Yes, you heard it right. Tomato, ketchup, cucumber, onion with chickpeas. Boil the chickpeas, make salad of it, and have it before your gym or after your gym or before your breakfast or after the lunch or whatever you suits you. So the third low calorie, high protein snack, lentil soup. Yes, you heard it right. You can have lentil soup or lentils with roti, whatever suits you. But remember one thing, if you have lentil soup, you can definitely have much amount of protein rather than lentils with cooked lentils with dal or sabji. So that will give you around 18 grams of protein depending upon the lentils you have, like 250 grams, 500 grams, depending upon the grams. Like 250 grams of lentils will give you around 25 to 30 grams of protein in just 250 calories. So you can definitely add upon it your breakfast, your lunch or your dinner according to your needs. So the another fourth high quality protein which has low calorie and high quality of protein would vegan protein shake. Yes, if you are a gym lover, if you are a protein shake lover, you can definitely add protein shake to your diet. Doesn't matter if you're a student or a bodybuilder, depend upon your goal. Vegan protein shakes, vegetarian protein shakes. Vegetarian can have whey protein, normal whey protein, concentrate and isolate. But if you are lactose intolerant, you can definitely have whey isolate. And if you are vegan, you can definitely add pea protein shake in your diet. Yes, pea protein shake would consist of all plant protein and you can have it with Greek yogurt or milk depending upon your choice, with some seeds, berries and ice topped upon it. Mix it and have it before your gym workout or after gym workout. Shake will give you around 25 grams of high quality protein, 25 to 30 grams of high quality protein in just 400 calories. So this was all about vegetarian diet and vegan diet of protein sources. Now I'm gonna move ahead to the non-vegetarian types of protein sources. So my first low calorie high protein source of the protein would be for non-vegetarians would be chicken breast. Yes, chicken breast are the one of the most trending sources for non-vegetarians. You can have them at air fryer, boiled or steamed without oil, or a tablespoon of olive oil topped upon it. You can definitely have chicken breast in your meal. For 200 grams of chicken breast will give you around 50 to 60 grams of protein. Yes, you heard it right. Guess what would be the calories? The calories would be around only 250 grams. Only 250 calories in 250 grams chicken breast. So the another non-vegetarian low calorie high protein snack for non-vegetarians, scrambled boiled eggs. You can definitely add upon your diet depending upon your goal, depending upon your muscle building. That will give you around 25 grams of protein depending upon how much eggs do you have. I'll recommend 6 egg whites and 3 whole eggs depending upon your goal. So the another high protein low calorie snack is tuna salad. Yes, you heard it right. Tuna salad with little bit of olive oil topped upon it. That will give you 25 grams of protein in just 280 calories. The another high protein low calorie snack for non-vegetarians, fish tikka. You can air fryer fish tikka at your home or from outside and ask the vendor, if you are getting it from outside, ask the vendor not to put too much gravy, too much masala topped upon it. Fish tikka in air fryer, boiled, steam or a little bit of curry depending upon you. 200 grams of fish tikka will give you around 60 grams of clean protein that will help you to gain the muscle. So here are all the recipes for vegetarians, vegans and non-vegetarians that I have shared in this video. So tell me in the comment section what you liked about this video and what you disliked about the video. I would be getting better from next videos. Till then, do subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it to your friends and family ones. Okay, until then, goodbye, take care, Sat Shri Akal, Namaste.